morning, student. Welcome to the online class. We are going to do Social Studies class 5. Our lesson is Agriculture in India. Please children, take out your books. Social Studies, page number 116. Agriculture in India, lesson 17. Fertile land, good rainfall, tropical climate and availability of natural resources have made India an agriculture country. Children, you all know India is a agriculture country. Majority of our people live in villages. Almost 60% of our working population is engaged in agriculture and related occupation. So our country is essentially an agricultural country. Proper means of irrigation, modern facility, improved variety of seeds. So when we are doing agriculture, children, we have to see what kind of irrigation is provided for it, and there is modern facility of different varieties of seeds. Fertilizers and pesticides have helped in the growth of different crops. Between 1960 and 1983, India's food production increased 3 times because of the increased use of fertilizers and machines in agriculture. This period was called the Green Revolution. Crops and season. Since agriculture is mainly dependent on monsoon rain, we have two major seasons for growing crops. Kharif season begins at the start of the monsoons when seeds are sown in the field. These crops are ready for harvesting in October and November. Rice, millet, jute, maize, cotton and kharif crops. These are children kharif crops which are grown in the period of October and November in India. Rabi season begins in October and continues throughout winter month. The Rabi crops include wheat, gram, barley and oilseed. So children, in the month of October, during the whole winter month, the crops which is grown is Rabi crop. And in that Rabi crop, we have wheat, millet, bajra, barley and oilseed. Types of crop. The Indian crops can be divided into three groups: cereals, pulses, cash crop. Cereals. These include crops like rice, millet, maize and wheat. Rice is grown in the monsoon season as it needs plenty of water. Major rice producing states are Assam, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. These are the places of India where people grow rice in abundance. Wheat. Wheat is a major crop which is sown in winter and reaped in summer season. It needs cool temperature and moderate rainfall. So children, wheat is grown in the month of December, October, December and throughout the winter, and it is cut during the summer season. Most of the wheat crop is obtained from Punjab and Haryana. So wheat is grown in which state? Punjab and Haryana. Some parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh also. So these are the three places where wheat is abundantly grown. It is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Millets such as jowar, bajra and ragi are also grown in the monsoon season. These are edible seeds and are called dry crops. They are grown in soil of poor quality. Parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and some parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat grow millets. Pulses. Gram, ahar, moong and masoor are pulses that are grown in almost every parts of India. Children, pulses are dals which you all eat at home, and the names are given as ahar, moong and masoor. They are very rich in protein and are in an important part of the diet of Indian, especially for vegetarian. Cash crops. Crops which are grown for sale in the market are called cash crop. Sugarcane, spice, tea, coffee, oilseed, rubber, cotton and jute are cash crop. So children, whatever crops which are sold in the market are called cash crop. These are coffee seed, sugarcane, spices, oil, cotton and jute. Sugarcane is a cash crop which is grown in nearly all the states of India. Modern methods are used to produce fine quality crystal sugar from sugarcane. Cotton and jute are both important fiber crops. So there are fiber crops, cotton and jute. The black soil of Gujarat and Maharashtra yield good cotton crops. So which part of India we get cotton, good cotton? It is Gujarat and Maharashtra. Cotton needs moderate rainfall and warm temperature to grow. Cotton is also grown in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Cotton is called the king of fibers. Jute crop needs alluvial soil, heavy rainfall and hot damp climate. India is the largest producer of jute in the world. Jute produce include gunny bags, ropes and carpets. It is also called the golden fiber. Spices. Spice lead flavors to our food. India is known for its spices since ancient times. Spices are the masalas which we eat, the mother cooks to prepare food. These are spices and it is used during the olden days. Ancient times mean olden times. Cardamom, bay leaf, clove, pepper, ginger are spices. Kerala is the chief producer of spices and coconut. So which part all these spices are coming from? It is from the Kerala. Coffee and cocoa are beverages that are grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Tea is the most popular beverage. It is grown in Assam, Darjeeling, northern part of West Bengal and Nilgiri hills in Karnataka. Good rainfall is needed to grow tea, but the soil should not retain water for long. Hill slopes let the water drain away quickly. Oil seeds are the main source of cooking oil. Crops of groundnut, mustard seed, linseed, castor seed and cotton seeds are grown in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Fruits and vegetable. India has made great progress in fruits production. It ranks second in the world after Brazil in fruit production. The practice of growing flower, fruits, vegetable is called horticulture. Mango, the king of fruit, is a delicacy of India. So mango is the king of fruit and it is abundantly produced in India. It is widely grown. Livestock rearing. Domestication of cattle such as cow, buffalo, ox, goat, sheep, camel, etc. is called livestock rearing. This supplements the income of farmers. Livestock rearing is an important part of Indian economy. It is a significant part of rural economy. Livestock population consists of crores of cows, buffalo, oxen, goats, sheep, poultry, birds, etc. So these are the livestock which people keep at home. Development of agriculture. With sustained effort both by the central and state government, the state of affair in India has greatly changed with the abolition of zamindari system, consolidation of land holding, construction of major irrigation scheme, use of manures and fertilizer, development of high yielding variety of seed, development of high yield variety of seeds, development of different kinds of modern tools and implements like tractors, harvesters, threshers, etc. These are the things which are used for cultivation of crops. India saw a great revolution in the agricultural field from a nation dependent on food import to feed its population. India has not only become self-sufficient in grain production but also has a substantial reserve and stock sufficient enough to export to other countries. India not only produce the amount of food for its own country but it has a surplus food stock up for other countries so it can do the import and export of the agriculture which is stocked up. This is one of the biggest success of Indian agriculture. along with its allied activities, forms about 33% of the GDP, gross domestic product. Though the Green Revolution in India greatly boosts agriculture production, it has led to various ecological and environmental problems like degrading of land resource, polluting water bodies and harmful effect on human, the flora and the fauna. The agriculture system is degrading also, children. When it is producing more, the fertile land is being being harvested and cultivated, so it is degrading also, so it is making it harmful also. The fauna and the fauna is the environment in which we are living. So children, here we conclude our lesson. We meet in our next session. Till then, please keep watching the video, read the lesson and understand. Thank you children for your cooperation.